Hi guys, Gillian here from Thermaltake Australia. You're stuck with me today because Jono and Michael are not here. I'm here to build in our awesome new green AH T200, and here are the products that I'm going to be using, and let's go. Alright, so let's I'll put the power supply in first actually. Let's take this boy off. Can I take it all the way? Oh, I can! Look at that! I think we do need a signer, so I'm just going to put a signer in there for the fanny boys. I don't know why I said that. It's been a while since I've done a build on this channel. I apologise everybody. Please put some music over me. This is so awkward. But I feel like for some reason I'm on the Amazing Race and I need to go like really quick. Oh. It's gonna be great. Oh, frick loops. Why am I going so fast? I'm feeling hungry. So how was everybody's break? What did you get up to? I'm not used to putting CPU like upways, but I did it. Goes in. It's been a long time since I've put these in. Go that way. I don't even know which way it goes. Hey. Just need to use a little bit of force. And we put this one. Alright, we're back from a quick lunch break. We had Guzmani Gomez. I had a burrito bowl. I just swapped the fans over because I wanted the cables to be on the back side. So we are ready to install this boy in. Now, then that means that's going to push air out. I had to put the fans on the other side. Somehow. Don't laugh at me. It's in! Yay! Okay, woohoo! How about a push. Alright, now let's put some thermal pasty. I think that's all I'm going to put. Don't need too much. This is just a build. No one's going to use it. Don't learn from me. Don't listen to Auntie Jill. We've got some of our lovely tough RAM. Goes in here. I'm just putting the cables behind. What have I forgotten? What do I need? Fans. Some more fans. Does it really need fans? Yes, it needs fans. So next up, I guess will be the graphics card. Alright, we're going to be using this new 3060. Anyways, but let me just first... Yes, it is. Alright, graphics card is in. And yeah, now we just got to plug everything in. Haha. Do a little bit of Voila! Okay, we're done. So let's test it out and see if it boots up. Measure mark. Yeah. Yay! Yay! It's lighting up! See, I can build. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my lovely racing green helicopter build. That was bad. Do that again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this build. Give it a like if you liked the video, give it a dislike if you didn't, well, I don't like you. How about that? Leave us a comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure you ding that bell to be notified every time we upload. And that's it. Oh yes, and watch our two next videos. I might be floating somewhere around me, I don't know where, but yeah. Thanks guys, have a good one. Cheers.
Now do something funny.